Hi, Teacher Mark here, teaching at Matanidon School, Khon Kaen, Thailand, teaching English as a foreign language, kindergarten, grade 3, age 5 and 6, and we're now ending the end of the last semester, and then they will break up and go into grade, middle school. So we've been desperately trying to get them to read, to blend, so they know all the alphabet, phonic sounds, abacada, etc. They know a bunch of digraphs where we've got 2 and 3 letters which also make another sound. And this week we're just concentrating on the magic E. So what's the magic E? What's that all about? Have a think about it. Well, you know the vowels A, I, E, O and U, A, E, I, O, U. Well, the magic E will change those back to their original names. A and not A. Normally we blend and using the phonic sound of A. But if there's a magic E towards the end of the word, that will change that A back to A. So let's have a look at some examples. Here we are, check it out. For a start, what shape is that? Do you know? Is it a cub, cub, or is it cub? No, there's no such word. So, check it out. There's an E on the end, and that's a magic E, and that changes the sound of a vowel. Where's the vowel in cub? Is C a vowel? Is B a vowel? Correct, it's U. You knew all the time. So it's gone back from A to U. So now it's cube. Cube. Okay? Now let's have a look at another example. What can we find here? Okay, look at this one. We all know what that is. Yes, it's a plane. Plane. Can you say plane? Good. So let's have a look. We've got 2 options to choose from. Is it P-L-A-N or P-L-A-N-E? So let's try blending our phonics. Let's start with the first one. And the phonic sound for this letter is, can you remember? P. Correct. P. The next one. Okay. Put them 2 together. And then we have a, pla. Oh, what's that one? Can you remember? Yes, that's the movement of a plane. So plan. Oh, and there's another one. Plan air. No, it's not a plan air. No, it's not, is it? It's a plane, sure. So something's wrong. What are we doing? What do we need to do to understand? Oh, what do we call that E? Can you remember? Magic E. Yes, magic E. And that changes the vowel sound. Where's the vowel? Where's the vowel? Da, 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 da. Yes, it's that A. It's not an A after all. We're doing it completely wrong. It's an A. Yes, A. So let's start again. A. Play. And that sound, plane. We don't use the E now because we've used it as a magic E. It's just plane. Okay, I hope that helped some degree on how a magic E works. Okay, take care. See you again next month. Bye for now.